What if you could slow down time, regenerate your cells, and reverse aging? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the exciting part. Cutting-edge research has unlocked actionable steps that make these possibilities more achievable than ever before. Welcome to Eternal Vitality, where we bring you science-backed tips to enhance your longevity, health, and wellness. In today's video, we're uncovering 3 life-changing secrets to regenerate cells and reverse aging, inspired by the groundbreaking work of Dr. Simon Oran. Dr. Oran is a globally recognized expert in anti-aging and cosmetic dermatology, with a reputation for reshaping the way we think about aging. His revolutionary treatments have attracted a list of high pre-functional clients, including Hollywood stars, top athletes, and wellness enthusiasts. His work is redefining how we approach aging, and today we'll dive into his 3 transformative secrets to rejuvenate your body and reclaim your vitality. Aging is much more than visible wrinkles and gray hair. It's a deep cellular process that affects every part of our body. As we age, our cells lose their ability to repair themselves effectively, which leads to inflammation, slower metabolism, and a higher risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. But here's the thing. Aging doesn't have to be a downhill slope. We can slow it down, regenerate our cells, and even reverse some of the damage that has already been done. Dr. Simon Oran's work highlights that while aging is a natural process, it's significantly influenced by our lifestyle choices and by cutting-edge interventions. In fact, Dr. Oran's philosophy is rooted in the idea that we have much more control over the aging process than we once believed. By actively managing factors like stress, diet, sleep, and physical activity, you can significantly slow down the effects of aging. This is why we're so excited to dive into his 3 powerful secrets that can help you reclaim your youthful energy and vitality. So, what exactly can you do to slow down time and regenerate your cells? Let's take a look at Dr. Oran's 3 powerful secrets to combat aging and promote cellular regeneration. Collagen is the building block of youth, and it's essential for maintaining healthy skin, joints, and connective tissues. As we age, collagen production declines, leading to sagging skin, weaker joints, and a less resilient body overall. If you're looking for ways to maintain or even improve your skin's elasticity and overall vitality, collagen is your best friend. Dr. Oran recommends focusing on collagen-boosting foods to support the production of this vital protein. Collagen-rich foods are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids, which help stimulate collagen production in the body. You might want to start including citrus fruits, bone broth, leafy greens, and almonds in your meals. These foods provide the raw materials your body needs to rebuild its collagen stores. There are several key foods that should be staples in your diet if you want to support collagen production. For example, vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi help facilitate the production of collagen. Zinc, found in foods like pumpkin seeds and cashews, also plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. One study found that collagen supplementation can improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and boost hydration. But even if you don't want to take a supplement, there are plenty of ways to naturally boost your collagen levels through food. For instance, bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids, and it's incredibly easy to add to soups, stews, or even just drink it on its own. If you're looking for an easy way to incorporate collagen into your routine, try a collagen-boosting smoothie. Here's a simple recipe. Blend spinach, collagen peptides, a handful of blueberries, and almond milk. It's a delicious, nutrient-dense start to your day. Adding these collagen-boosting foods to your diet regularly will not only help with aging, but can improve joint health, boost skin elasticity, and even support your bones. As Dr. Oran suggests, think of your diet as the foundation of your anti-aging plan. The better the foundation, the stronger the structure. Intermittent fasting isn't just a weight loss trend. It's a powerful way to stimulate your body's natural repair mechanism called autophagy. Autophagy is your body's way of clearing out damaged cells and regenerating healthier, more efficient ones. Think of it as your body's internal housekeeping service, working to keep you youthful and vibrant. When you fast, your body switches from burning glucose for energy to using fat stores. This metabolic switch triggers autophagy, helping to regenerate cells and reduce inflammation. Plus, intermittent fasting has been shown to enhance mental clarity, improve metabolic health, and protect against age diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Autophagy has been studied extensively, and researchers believe it plays a key role in extending lifespan by removing damaged cells and promoting the growth of new, healthy ones. Dr. Oran encourages fasting as a way to reset the body, reduce inflammation, and allow your cells to do their best repair work. Start with a simple 16-8 fasting schedule, where you fast for 16 hours, including overnight, and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you could eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. If you feel comfortable with this, experiment with longer fasting periods, or even a 24-hour fast once a week for maximum benefits. Some people even try fasting for a day or two periodically to jumpstart the body's repair mechanisms. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is that it enhances mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells, and they play a significant role in energy production and cellular health. The more efficiently your mitochondria function, the more youthful and energetic you will feel. Laser and light therapy is one of the most exciting frontiers in anti-aging research. Dr. Oran has pioneered the use of advanced laser treatments to stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and rejuvenate cells. These therapies work by creating micro-injuries on the skin surface, prompting your body to produce new collagen and elastin as part of the healing process. While professional treatments offer the most powerful results, you can still reap the benefits of light therapy at home. LED light therapy devices, which are designed for skin rejuvenation, can offer similar benefits. If professional treatments are out of your reach, consider investing in an FDA-approved LED light therapy mask. Use it consistently as part of your skincare routine, and you'll notice significant improvements in your skin texture, tone, and overall vitality. LED light therapy uses specific wavelengths of light to penetrate deep into the skin and activate cellular regeneration. Red light, in particular, is known for its ability to stimulate collagen production and improve skin texture. This kind of treatment can be used to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even acne scars. In addition to professional treatments or at-home devices, don't forget the power of natural light. Exposure to natural sunlight during early mornings or late afternoons can help regulate your circadian rhythm, improve sleep, and enhance your body's natural healing processes. In fact, sunlight is essential for the production of vitamin D, which plays a significant role in overall health and anti-aging. While Dr. Oran's 3 secrets are powerful, it's important to recognize that lifestyle choices play a significant role in aging and cell regeneration. Stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, and exposure to environmental toxins can accelerate the aging process. So, in addition to the 3 secrets we've discussed, make sure you're taking care of the basics. Managing stress, practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and its impact on your body. Chronic stress accelerates aging by releasing cortisol, a hormone that can damage cells and promote inflammation. Find ways to regularly unwind and relax. Getting enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to regenerate and repair itself. During sleep, your body enters a deep repair mode where cell regeneration is at its peak, minimizing toxin exposure. Use natural cleaning products, avoid smoking, and stay hydrated to help your body flush out toxins. Toxins from pollutants and chemicals can contribute to cellular damage, so minimizing your exposure will promote overall health. These lifestyle adjustments work synergistically with Dr. Oran's recommendations to maximize your efforts in reversing aging and promoting cellular health. It's not just about the treatments, it's about creating a holistic approach that supports your body in all aspects. Which of these tips resonates with you the most? Are you already practicing intermittent fasting or eating collagen-rich foods? Have you tried light therapy treatments before? Let us know in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire someone else on their journey to reversing aging and regenerating cells. If you found these tips valuable, hit the like button and share this video with a friend or family member who's looking to enhance their vitality. Don't forget to subscribe to Eternal Vitality and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest science-based tips to help you live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Grab your self-esteem online. Let's quickly recap the 3 transformative secrets to reversing aging and regenerating cells. Supercharge your diet with collagen-boosting foods to support healthy skin, joints, and overall cellular structure. Activate autophagy through intermittent fasting, stimulating your body's natural repair process. Harness the power of laser and light therapy, either professionally or with at-home devices, to rejuvenate your skin and enhance cellular health. Remember, aging is inevitable, but how you age is entirely up to you. With small, consistent actions like these, you can dramatically improve your cellular health and feel your best at any age. Thank you for watching Eternal Vitality. Let's thrive together.